Now we're going to see how to add a parking space into our system so that our cars have a place to park. So as we remember, while we created the parking lot, we already created 10 parking spaces on that parking lot, 10 physical parking spaces. The next step will be to assign those parking spaces to companies. Okay, so we have 3 companies on our system. We want to assign the 10 parking spaces we have into them. So when I press company, I see nothing. So basically, let's add a space into our company. We're gonna do it by pressing assign parking space. So we can see now the different companies, company 1, 2, and 3. So let's say that to company 1 we are going to assign 3 parking spaces. Of course, we can choose what name will have what name the company's the parking spaces will have. Okay, so we can call them A. We can call them floor 1, for example, floor 1, and then it will automatically continue to 1, 2, 3. So floor 1, we can choose if the parking will be taken, will be saved only for employees. It means that we cannot invite visitors to those parking spaces. And we press save changes, and we can see that floor 1 has 1, 2, 3 parking spaces. Next, we're gonna add another 3 parking spaces to company 2. Okay, another 3 spaces. This time it's floor 2. Okay, so floor 2, we see this in a lot of underground parking lots. This time the parking is not reserved to anyone, just for the employee, just for everyone that coming to this company. Let's give it a second to update, and we can see it right now. Company 1, floor 1, 1, 2, and 3. Company 2, floor 2, 1, 2, and 3. Same thing. And of course, that for company 3, I think it's we already understand it. Save changes, and we can see all of the companies right now. Okay, as simple as that. If you want to add another parking space, of course we need to increase our okay, this company has unlimited parking count. Adding new parking space will cancel it. Of course, the thing is that we already reached our maximum ability to add parking spaces, because we have only 10, and we right now in the amount of 10. So if we want to delete, we can delete it from here. We can delete, of course, we need to choose the parking spaces and delete them. We want to assign new ones, we need to create a bigger parking lot. Of course, for every company, we can see a status of how many parkings are existing, how many are occupied, and how many are available, or we can see the number for all of them together. Very simple.